Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, but you all know that. And today we are showing off another beautiful system. This bad boy has got some goodies inside of it, and I'm gonna break it down for you. So I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of the specs. So we have an AMD Ryzen 3900X. That's right, 3900 with 12 cores. All the cores! We have an ASUS ROG 2070 GPU. Oof, the power. We have Corsair Vegeance, 32 gigabytes of memory because, you know, Chrome. We also have a Sonar AE sound card from ASUS, as well as being built in the Corsair Carbide 400C. Now what can you do with this system? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to tell you. Of course, I did forget a couple things. Don't beat me up, I'm fragile. This thing is being cooled by an H115i made by Corsair, and it has green sleeving kit mod on it from Cable Mod themselves. Not to mention the CPU's overclocked as well. But what can you do with it? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you. You can do anything your heart desires. Play some games? Oh, you bet. And we talked about that last week. That's fine. But, you know, more games is always good. But I really would like to talk about the 3900X. So, you know, this CPU is brand new to the market. Everybody wants it. What's it going to do for you? Well, I've heard up and down that AMD CPUs for gaming are just fabulous. All right. 2070, well, obviously 8 gigabytes of GDDR6. That's gonna allow you to run games at smooth frame rates. The RTX, oh, I like all the lights, just like the lights here. It's gonna look like that on your computer monitor. What more can you ask? And the last couple things to mention, this thing is being powered sound-wise by a Sonar AE from ASUS. It's gonna allow you to hear anything and everything. If a pen drops halfway across the map, granted you're playing an open world game, you're going to be able to hear it. If something transforms in Prey, a game I have not played, you'll be able to hear it. It's phenomenal. And this thing also has a 500 gigabyte 860 Evo from Samsung. So, you know, fast speeds. Woo! But ladies and gentlemen, that's all the time I have today to talk about this beautiful system made by AVADirect. My name is Wesley, and I will see you next time. Bye.
If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.